This is one of those moments that could redefine how Wall Street values companies of the future. While you and I were going about our daily routines, Wall Street just unveiled something historic. And that's because SpaceX, Elon Musk's legendary company, is no longer private and has made its debut on the stock market. And it didn't do it quietly either. It completely shattered the world record for the largest IPO in human history, raising the absurd amount of $75 billion in a single day. But here's what's truly shocking, what nobody is talking about, and the reason why you need to watch this video until the end. And this move hasn't just shattered financial records, it has also made Elon Musk the first person whose net worth exceeds $1 trillion, according to early financial estimates. And this is going to change the fate of your investment funds, whether you realize it or not. How is it possible that a company that technically loses billions of dollars a year is worth more than any tech giant on the planet? Stay with me because today we're breaking down the real, verified data behind the biggest financial madness of our era. And to understand the magnitude of what happened on June 12th, let's put things into perspective. Until just a few days ago, the record for the largest IPO, or what in finance is known as an initial public offering, IPO for short, was held by the Saudi oil giant Aramco, which raised about $26 billion in 2019. Well, SpaceX hit the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker SPCX and raised more than $75 billion. And it did this by selling more than 555 million shares, practically tripling the previous record, and this all started early on. SpaceX offered the shares to major investors at a fixed price of $135 per share. But when the market opened and the general public could start buying, demand was so overwhelming that the price immediately jumped to $150, reaching a peak of $176 per share during the day. At the close of the day, the stock settled at $160.95, which means an increase of almost 20% on its first day. With this, SpaceX's total valuation closed at a historic $2.1 trillion. And just so you get an idea, SpaceX is now worth more on the stock market than giants like Meta or Alphabet. This financial earthquake has caused two massive side effects on global wealth. The first one has a name and surname, Elon Musk, who maintains a dominant stake in SpaceX. And when you add his options and his stake in Tesla, the surge in the stock this past June 12th has officially catapulted his net worth above the 12-figure mark. According to Forbes estimates at market close, this has made Elon Musk the first person whose net worth exceeds $1 trillion, according to initial financial estimates. Musk is now the world's first trillionaire. This is with a fortune that hovers around $1.1 trillion. But it wasn't just Elon Musk who got even richer. The SpaceX IPO has carried out one of the largest corporate capital distributions ever seen. It's estimated that around 4,400 current and former employees of the company who held internal shares have just become millionaires overnight. In fact, reports indicate that about 400 of them now have more than $100 million in their brokerage accounts. Now you might be wondering, why is it worth so much? And as the creator of this channel, my commitment to the community is to give you the raw information. Is a rocket company really worth $2.1 trillion? Wall Street analysts explain that investors aren't just buying rockets, they're buying a massive tech conglomerate. When you buy a share of SpaceX, you're invested in three pillars. Pillar number one, the space monopoly. SpaceX carries out more space launches than entire countries. Its dominance with the Falcon 9 and the development of Starship have no real competition. Pillar number two, Starlink. The satellite internet network is already generating recurring operating profits and has millions of users worldwide. And pillar number 3, artificial intelligence. And here's something I call a secret trick. Earlier this year, SpaceX and xAI have become increasingly strategically integrated. I'm talking about Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, the owner of Grok. That's why investors are seeing SpaceX as a massive infrastructure that merges satellites, space-based data centers, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. SEC documents revealed that SpaceX is still burning through billions of dollars a year on research and building data centers for artificial intelligence. And the thing is, this is an extremely high risk and very, very volatile business, which for now is sustained thanks to the enthusiasm and blind faith the market has in Elon Musk's long-term plans, like the colonization of Mars. And you might be wondering, what does this mean for me as an ordinary investor? Well, let me tell you, it means a lot. Because of the historic nature of this IPO, SpaceX shares are expected to be included in the main market index funds much faster than usual. And this means that if you have a retirement fund, an index investment plan, or a tech ETF, it's very likely that in the coming months, you'll end up owning a small fraction of SpaceX yourself. Whether you like it or not, SpaceX's IPO marks the end of a 24-year era as a private company and the beginning of a new era where space and Wall Street become one. Now, all that's left to see is whether this bubble of optimism will withstand the quarterly scrutiny that public companies are subject to, or if, on the contrary, volatility will punish those who bought at the peak. And you, do you really think SpaceX is worth what the market says? Or do you think we're witnessing the biggest financial speculation of the decade? I would really love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below, and if you truly enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a big thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends, because that way we can reach a much wider audience of people all around the world. I will see you all in the very next video, guys.